Hi, replenishment. Getting the right product, in the right store, at the right time. Your favorite peanut butter, toothpaste or bread. When you, after a long working week on a Saturday afternoon, walking in the retail store and finding your product on the shelf, then you leave the store with a smile. I'm going to tell you how SAP is going to support this replenishment in an efficient and effective way. My name is Frank Vullers and I'm a Senior Industry Advisor for Retail, Wholesale and Consumer Products. First, have a look at the agenda. We're going to start with article distribution. How do I get my article to the stores, to DCs? Then I'll talk about the solution UDF, Unified Demand Forecasting, and how I can make a forecast with it. Then I will talk about a long-term solution, F&R, forecasting and replenishment. And in the end, I will talk something about the new solution, replenishment planning. When we talk about retail, we have all kind of merchandise, all kind of assortment, all kind of mixture of articles. We have items which have a long life cycle, stable categories, short lead times, thinking about washing powder, bakery stuff, milk. They can be replenished, never out of stock, replenishable products. On the other extreme, we have items with a short life cycle. Categories, more seasons per year. Think about seasonal stuff, fashion, a new dress. And in the middle, you see the stores, type of stores, which is a mixture of never out of stock, replenishable products, and the more seasonal, fashionable products. And if you look how to distribute the items to the store, then you see two main streams. The first one is setting the shelf capacity, taking the customer demand into account, replenish. Do a pull. Customer demand pulls the replenishable items into the store. The second extreme, where you have limited quantity available. You buy the quantities and you allocate it to the stores. And we also call this push movement. And in between, we have different kinds of distribution types. We maybe allocate and buy, or allocate and replenish. But today, we're going to focus on the left part, on the replenishment part, where we going to use a forecast and then going to make a replenishment for store or DC. And I will do that talking about forecasts with our solution UDF. As I said, discuss about our F&R solution and end with the replenishment planning solution. If you look at replenishment, you have several kinds of issues. Maybe you have too much stock, but it costs too much if I have too much stock. I need to lower my stock, but maybe it's too less stock. I can't fulfill the demand. At the end of the day, my tomatoes are spoiled. We have to throw them away. And the bakery, they should be able to replenish several times a day. But also, I would like to replenish, but the system should help me. It should be less time consuming. So you have different kinds of questions which arise during replenishment. So what you need intelligent replenishment to help you in this process. And intelligent replenishment is all about the forecast. The forecast should be accurate. It should predict the customer behavior, not only for fast-moving items, that's easy, but also for slow-moving items or items with a high volatile demand. And also you should take into account influencing factors like a festival or Easter. And the system should be self-learning, so that the forecast is based on data and behavior of the data. Second, what you want is an optimal replenishment. You want replenishment in a good pack size. It should be satisfy the customer needs. The inventory should be optimal and less waste. If you order too much, at the end of the day, you have waste. And in the end, you want to synchronize the supply chain. But also very important is the automation. Replenishment support should free up your people from manual activities so that they can only focus on exceptions, because it's retail, and in retail it's all about a huge volume of data.